This is the foundation of nutrition, right here. All this incredible herbs and delicious vegetables that are so common and so ready available in any supermarket. And that to me is the essence of nutrition. And we complicate it too much as human beings. We go deep into the why. It's really about how do we put it together and how do we create it so it has this smack you in the face with flavour that brings you to so much joy, that gives you a moment of just a satiation, and as you're eating it's like you're salivating and you're wanting more. That is the depth of nutrition where we should be swimming around in, instead of trying to work it out, bit by bit as nutritional science comes into our homes when it has no place. Because plants, they just grow. The sun hits them, it hits their beautiful leaves, it has so much light, they have all the requirements that the body needs, and it's all encompassing and it's just beautiful. I'm Chef Cynthia Louise, and welcome to the world of plant-based cooking.